In a shocking development from the Middle East, the assassination of Hamas's political leader Ismail Haniyeh in Tehran had sent ripples through the global political landscape. Here's a look at the key reactions to this high-profile killing. Hamas has responded with fierce condemnation, labeling Haniyeh's assassination as a grave escalation by the Israeli occupation aimed at breaking their will. Senior Hamas official Sami Abu Zuhri declared that this act will fail to achieve its objectives, asserting that Hamas will continue its path regardless of the sacrifices. Israel has taken starkly different view. Minister of Heritage Amishai Eliyahu stated that Haniyeh's death is necessary to rid the world of what he called filth, and emphasized this iron fist approach will ultimately bring peace. Eliyahu's comments highlight Israel's ongoing hardline stance. Iran has reacted strongly. President Masoud Pezeshkian condemned the assassination as an attack on their territory and promised to defend. Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei echoed these sentiments, calling for a harsh response to what he described as a cowardly act by the Zionist regime. Hezbollah, allied with the Hamas and Iran, expressed deep sorrow and anger over Haniyeh's death. They vowed solidarity with Hamas, highlighting the martyrdom of their leaders and condemning the actions of their adversaries. Palestinian Islamic Jihad denounced the killing as an attack not only on Hamas but also on Iran, while Australia and China urged for de-escalation and a ceasefire. Malaysia called for a thorough investigation, and Qatar condemned the act as a violation of international law, warning of potential chaos in the region. Russia and Turkey joined in condemning the assassination. Russia labeled it an unacceptable political murder, and Turkey criticized Israel's intentions for peace, suggesting that without international intervention, the region may face even larger conflicts. Lastly, Yemen's Houthi movement described the killing as a heinous terrorist crime and a blatant violation of laws and values. As the situation continues to unfold, the assassination of Ismail Haniyeh has added yet another layer of complexity to the already volatile Middle East conflict.
Don't miss out. Follow One India for real-time updates.